Welcome to Sitaro Ka Safar. I am astrologer N Baksh here with the 2025 predictions for Leo. Known for your bold, generous, and ambitious spirit, this year, Leo, Mars's energy will ignite new possibilities as we enter a 9-number year. This energy will encourage you to take charge, set higher goals, and channel your creativity in exciting ways. With significant influences from planets like Jupiter and Saturn, expect a year of professional breakthroughs, dynamic relationships, and personal growth. Let's look at how each aspect of your life will unfold in 2025. In 2025, Leos can expect a stable and fruitful year financially. Jupiter's favorable placement early in the year, particularly in February and March, brings opportunities for financial growth. Investments in property or long-term assets will likely yield positive returns. April through July is a good period to reassess and plan your finances, as Saturn's influence may urge you to be cautious with major expenditures. Towards the end of the year, particularly in November and December, financial opportunities re-emerge, making it an ideal time for profitable ventures. However, avoid speculative markets mid-year, as Rahu's placement could lead to potential losses in quick profit schemes. For business owners, Leos will find 2025 promising for expansion, particularly in the fields of technology, media, and luxury goods. March to June is excellent for launching new projects or expanding your network. Saturn's influence in the seventh house will prompt you to focus on strong, stable partnerships and growth rather than impulsive decisions. Leos in the corporate world can expect a steady climb, especially around May and October, as Jupiter's aspect on the 10th house brings career advancements. Opportunities for promotions and salary hikes are likely. However, during August and September, maintain good relationships with colleagues, as Saturn's influence could lead to minor misunderstandings. Strategic thinking will be essential for career progress. For Leos, speculative investments like cryptocurrency and stocks should be approached with caution in 2025, especially from March to August. Saturn's restrictive energy indicates that only well-researched, long-term investments will likely yield gains. Avoid the crypto market during the third quarter, as the influence of Rahu may create volatility. Instead, focus on safer, diversified assets. For single Leos, romance blooms in 2025, particularly between April and July, when Venus strengthens attraction and new relationships. This period is excellent for meeting like-minded individuals and deepening connections. However, be cautious in December, as Mars's influence could lead to misunderstandings. If you're in a relationship, 2025 brings closeness and warmth. Jupiter's energy supports emotional understanding and a balanced bond, especially in the latter half of the year. Plan special moments with your partner during this time, as it will deepen your connection. Married Leos can expect harmony in 2025, with Jupiter's positive influence enhancing understanding and mutual respect. However, from May to August, Saturn's aspect could bring up issues that require patience and clear communication. By November, any misunderstandings are likely to be resolved, leading to a stronger and more harmonious relationship. Family life will be rewarding this year, especially from February to May, when Jupiter's energy brings a sense of unity. This period is excellent for family gatherings and reconnecting with relatives. From September onwards, however, be mindful of potential disagreements due to Saturn's aspect, especially concerning property or financial matters. Friendships will also be supportive throughout the year, particularly in early and late 2025. Travel opportunities for Leos are abundant in 2025, especially for personal growth and exploration. Between March and July, business and leisure travels are strongly indicated, with potential for opportunities for professional advancement and personal insight. October may bring challenges, so avoid extensive travel during this time if possible. Students under the Leo sign can expect positive results in 2025, particularly in the fields of finance, law, and technology. Jupiter's influence in the ninth house early in the year will aid in academic focus and strong results. April and May are excellent months for exams, and students should consider pursuing fields with high global demand, such as data science, artificial intelligence, and international business. In 2025, Leo should focus on maintaining a balanced lifestyle, as Saturn's energy may bring periods of low energy or fatigue, especially mid-year. Regular exercise, particularly cardio, and a disciplined diet will be beneficial. September to November is a critical time to avoid overexertion, prioritize self care, and if possible, incorporate relaxation techniques such as yoga or meditation. Mars's influence this year brings heightened energy, but this could also lead to restlessness. Leo should focus on managing stress through creative outlets or hobbies. Surround yourself with positive influences as this will help maintain mental peace. In December, a retreat or time off will provide the perfect opportunity to recharge for the upcoming year. Thank you for tuning into Sitaro Ka Safar with me, astrologer Nbaksh. Leo, 2025 is a dynamic year with opportunities and challenges that will drive growth and success. Embrace each moment with courage and let the stars guide you towards a fulfilling journey. For more insights and astrology updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. May 2025 be a transformative and prosperous year for you.